Hello guys, so let's have a look at dollar Canadian technical analysis for the coming week. First of all, let's have a look quick at the previous week. This is where I had a good level where I told you I was possibly looking at placing the trades, and here is the one level and another level. You can see where the market started to go down. It treated that level and then went up, small consolidation, and here is your good trade. Okay, so that's it pretty much as pointed out to you at that level. Okay, so now what happened, okay, we had a bit of a drop. You see, we've been stopped again by this level and started to have a bit of consolidation here. So I have a little bit of a possibly maybe a bearish flag, who knows, right? But in here between that and that level, we still have enough space. So if it will a little bit of consolidation, then possibly placing trades from that level up to buy, and from that level pending orders or sell. So one or another way it could possibly go. Of course, remember with a little bit of protection, because the stop, we didn't reach it previously, so it might be a little bit lower, but it is still enough at least to get for something like 10 pips. You can see it's if you take that, it's about 30 pips, okay, and possibly can go up to 70 pips. Okay, so this is where I would look at it at first. Okay, so what is it going to do? Of course, if with all the levels, of course, if it will break, and then maybe it will start to consolidate around this area, we still have that possible area. Let's just go on a bigger chart, because like I'm saying, I'm trading right now on the 1 hour and 30 minutes charts, but looking at all possible time frames and see what is it doing here. Okay, so I'm drawing that one using these previous stops, and so if, for example, that will break, okay, and will go through, I will see where it's going to slow down next. Okay, so if it will stop and started to slow down around here somewhere, then I will be looking again for placing orders. Of course, that one for sale and possibly that one to buy. Depends how far it will go, because it also might start to slow down between these two levels. Okay, so who knows how it's going to behave, but all the levels are in place right now, and this is the main picture. And if it will go up, okay, so then breaking that level, right, go to the next level, or maybe slightly lower, who knows. Okay, enough space, and of course any slowing down and any consolidation around that level. Okay, and then this is the bigger chart that I'm saying. On the smaller one, 1 hour and 30 minutes is going to be smaller, a bit more distance, as you will see. So then of course the next one is going to be that important level. This and that are very, very important levels, and to break, for example, that level, it needs a lot of strength and movements, energy, okay, to do that. It's a very strong one. So that's what I'm saying. It might touch it, might do something, but I don't think it will have enough strength to break it through completely. Dollar is going to have like non-farm payroll this week, and the forecast is not very good, but it's been strong for a while, so who knows. So that's why I would expect, of course, a little bit of correction of dollar, especially here. You see dollar Canadian have been going up without any good correction. So of course we're waiting for to break in that level, and possibly that, and going back inside of our downtrend channel. Okay, so but who knows? I mean, technically it's kind of getting there, that it needs a bit better correction. Okay, except those little ones, like small corrections, it needs a good one. So but who knows, it might still have enough strength in dollar and continue its way, and actually get and started to use and consolidate around that level. But this moment, my attention is at the beginning would be of course around that channel. Okay, so around this area, that little channel first, and just around here, all the movement I will be looking at as the first thing. This week, of course, I'm talking about the possible, of course, trying to break one another. Possibly we'll see next time. Okay, so it might still be a bit messy around here. So well, this is how I see dollar Canadian at this moment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and happy trading. I see you next week. Bye everyone.